Hey this is Remna here, and today we are going to be becoming an industrial lawnmower. Now, we tried this once before, but we made the grave mistake of picking up the funny armor reduction thing. We're not doing that this time. Instead, we're just gonna get like as many of these saw blades as possible, and we're just gonna get a build going with them. And of course, I'm playing dual saw multi because I'm too brain dead to realize this is a terrible idea. Why am I doing this? Because it's funny as heck. And no, we are not starting on Siphoned. If I just really quick. Alright, let's go. We got the stage with some of the most banger music in not gonna lie, all the songs are absolute bangers. I am not denying this. But the teleporter track on this specifically is really interesting. I love all the songs. Get over it. Again. Please, dude. Gets Wandering Vagrant, flies upwards, and sticks to boss anyways. Honestly, one of these things that should exist in base game Risk of Rain. There's some way of skipping when the bosses, when you finish killing the bosses, and then you have to sit there and wait. In early game it's fine, but I feel like once it gets to like looping around, I feel like there's something kind of fits in and disable that. Right now our green is probably gonna get a feather right off the bat. But we know what our equipment's gonna be, because that's the whole point of the build. No, that's good. Oh, you sneaky little son of a damn. Oh, that's annoying. I don't even care anymore, bye. Flick that guy. I can just get over it. Ah, frick. Oh. I got turned into a popsicle. Come on, man. Mobility is highly important because it allows us to actually do something against these things. I am utterly and entirely unfazed by these characters. There's so many wolves in my game. Get over here, idiot. Oh man, I thought you Goomba'd that guy with the problem. Quit. Definitely, with how rapidly we can do things. Right now, all of our healing is gonna probably come from like a scythe or something. It's really important. Is that having that as an option right off the bat? Yo, Shrine of the Woods. Good. I could have outran you guys if you weren't directly behind me. I don't know what y'all still shooting. Get over here. I advise not attempting to kill me. I got moves. Like you can still hold down the saw blades. Oh, next week is gonna be better, but I just want to have a little bit of healing when we go into this. Once we activate that TP, you're going absolutely crazy at whatever. I don't really care about the wisps. I can heal off their damage, but whatever spawns in, I probably can't heal off his damage very easily. I was so afraid of doing it like a Megan or something. Getting a singular feather can pretty much just visualize. Yo, more enemies to move. This is unironically one of the most banger songs. I got hops now, buddy! I got hops now. I got ow, 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 ow. I got hops now. I frick you. Me running circles around a friggin' blazing enemy. I don't understand. Vehicular manslaughter. Oh my gosh, I hit 2 of them with a single bullet. Oh, whoever that mending guy is getting murdered. I went into power mode for that one guy. Get over here. Oh damn, they've got moves. They've got moves. They got some moves. They may have moves, but so do I. Thanks, Wisp. You made me dodge that. Hell yes. Murder. Oh, shit. Hearing this music makes me want to just leave it. Go. I'm gonna wait till we loot back around. Let's see if I can farm some out here. I just wanted to hear that specific section of the music. It's my favorite. Let's try to buff up the music line a second, you know? You want to cleave to every enemy. Oh look, where's settings? Where's the freaking music volume? Oh, there we go. Now I should be able to hold up. I hear the music slightly better. Ah, yes. Volume. There's a good set of items for stage 1, though. We're gonna need an equipment soon. We're gonna need the funny saw soon, but, I feel like Shadow Screen might be cool here, but given that Saw Blade already applies enough bleed to probably like crowd wipe half the damn map, I don't really know if we'll do that. Oh, frick. Okay. Damn. I vehicular manslaughtered a spawning beetle. That was insane. Hi, bud. Are you reevaluating your life right about now? He gave me an item, too. That's the funniest part, is I've gotten items from that. That's it, I'm done. Die. I'm not messing with that. I want to shoot out enough saw blades per second to make the nail gun just look like a toy. That's an equipment gun. Giving an equipment on saw blades would be really funny, but I don't feel like I need to. Let's go get another feather from TP here and just really do that. I already have almost max crit, and if I can get a few more goat clothes, I'm probably gonna get them too. Then I'm just gonna stack a bunch of refulsions of a gray, because that's just consistent. In most runs, refulsion sucks, you get like 2 of them per run, but in get out! Get out! Get the asshole! Get the hell out! Get the hell out! I don't. Oh my god. How many of you stupid clicks are there? Get over here. I can't leave power mode either with these guys because they hit hard enough to probably like wipe these. I don't like that. I'm really pissed off with blind pests now. I don't like blind pests, so I got a boss item from TP, so I might as well make advantage of that. You dare challenge me? You dare challenge me? Eat through your damn XP faster than you. That is not. As long as you don't stack Shadow Spoon, you're good. Because stacking it can be really, really brilliant. Imagine seeing this thing shooting out like 500 saw blades and start approaching you. Like you're already terrified of what is happening. Trick you, Umbra. I would go toe-to-toe with Umbra, but I just somehow managed to time that perfectly. Okay, Void Seed, that's annoying. I feel like Void Seeds are far more annoying. There's a reason I haven't done any more Artifact and Devotion runs yet, because getting all of them to realistically just avoid, like, the implosions sucks. It's really, really bad. They don't avoid the implosions as much. It can be really OP if you get the right build going, but because they can't avoid the void implosions, you have to give them, like, 5 billion DOs for them to live long. And a singular void infestor can nuke the entire run. I like you, Imp. I'm gonna let you guys fight. Wisp, on the other hand, I will not let fight. Ow, quick. Well, I'm all in, might as well. I'm hitting master there now. Okay. Whoever decided to be in my general vicinity, I don't like you. Really, bro? Did I really just get forced into using a shrine? That's so annoying. Well, get over here. I spam jump so damn fast like that. Damn it. Damn it, I messed up. Damn! Damn! And the infested, too. Man, that kind of thing. Mad about my existence right now. How does you got someone running into your void seed messing you up? That's the last void enemy that isn't just randos, yeah. Finally, an item that isn't going to be locked behind the blood giant. It almost was, but it wasn't. That's good. Now would be a great time to start building up fuel cells. The longer we go without equipment, the harder it's going to be for us to get, the easier it's going to be for us to get a build test. Yeah. If we don't have the equipment on us, and we don't have any pressure to get going as quickly. Waste night. Right through them both. Went right through the both of them. Cut open like a damn piece of no way, dude. We're gonna see if we can not use safe spaces somewhere and just kind of mess around. Let's say. Yo. I'm gonna get powered. So fun. Holly nuke time. Oh, for frick's sake. Get out of here. But yeah, we're gonna want to get like another. Get out. Get the hell out. Get out. Alright. Time for us to start farming. We're gonna need to get a lot more mobility, a lot of fuel cells, and probably some power nukes to go. If we get any grays beyond what we're losing mobility, it's like 5, 10 kilobits. The multi has one weakness to mobility. He has some with the transport motor, but his strongest like defensive form doesn't have any movement at all. But you can counteract this by just kind of getting a few hooks. Now you're done. Doing tricks while doing that sort of thing. I feel like it'd be really funny if Saw Blades could just move any other, like hit scan projectiles would work, but any non-hit scan stuff would be broken. Also, I had a funny idea for a void version. Now that instead of it being, hey, let's just have a shield when you're sprinting. Have it just a frontal shield or something. Or like, Repulsion armor side grade, where it's like, Repulsion or Rose Buckler could work for this. Rose Buckler for the model and Repulsion for function. So you get a bunch of defense, but it's only from like the front. So you defend against attacks really good from like in front, but from like, if you get hit, not actually big. I am not. Anyways, get over here. Anyways, I don't care about the law of physics. Get over here. Oh, frick, I forgot. Damn it. I got stopped by that random friggin' pillar. Actually, go to the next stage. This stage could give me a legendary though. I'm pretty sure that all of them have a free legendary spot on them. Except for, I think Sundude is the only one that doesn't have a guaranteed, but it's pretty much guaranteed given the amount that it has of spots. And we got the most fun one to deal with. We got Siren's Call, the one where we just get to break some eggs and have a full boss fight. I honestly love Siren's Call's little gimmick, or whatever I can say it is. Breaks 2 eggs, invites a challenge. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I'm saying this now, but I'm going to end up dying somehow. Like, saying that is like a very good way to just jinx myself. But I don't even care, because I'm playing as the funny robot guy. Who cares? Oh, yo, I can get the whirring to go loud, and then I can have the most chaos on the stage at one point. If you ever trigger this in itemless, I'd be so dead if I triggered this in itemless. Hi, random void quicks. Get out of nowhere. Bonks on head, get out. Head bonk. Another shrine of that, let's go. Just give him a little haircut, that's all. Hi. Yo, go fight the giant freak in the sky. Ow. Thanks, Jellyfish. You're helping me get some aggro going. Ow! Yikes! Never mind, I should not be underestimating this guy. This guy's strong. I want to kill these guys, but I don't have the range to without getting them in the area, so I'm just gonna sit here and pretend like I'm actually trying, and in reality, I'm not. There are 4 of them in here, meaning that we know where at least 4 of these void guys are. And there's another void guy right here. Ow! 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 Damn! Y'all are rude, bro. Get him. Ow! Oh gosh. I like just barely avoiding that. Sorry, Lord Worship Unit, I need healing. Give him a healing. He didn't even get to activate failure. Damn. Absolutely disrespected this guy. I really need to get a full poison guy. Ow! Hey, frick you! Flying frick, why do you keep doing that? You know what? Sure, it's fine. I was gonna get soulbound, but I don't feel like it now. It's way more funny to just have a higher chance to apply the power leak. So I got it. Cause I could, if you stack a few of those, you can get some pretty insane stuff on it. Yeah, in my current case, getting that legendary isn't even really a requirement. It's just like, oh, legendary, and I'm like, what am I using? But there are points where I will get to a run, and I'll just be like, what do I even get? And when you get to that point in a run, that's how you know you have no. Oh, these are the last 4. Alright. Alright, here's the last 4. Last 4. Get over here, I wanna outfield void temporarily. Alright, let's see what's in these cradles. Kill. There's a lot of really bad enemies here that I think I'll collect easily. Bad news. Getting longest would be a decent survival thing. Since I'm planning on becoming an industrial lawnmower, I'm not going to be in power all the time. He's trying to run. Oh, he's trying to fight. Damn, alright, that hurts. Get over here, Twitter. Die. How much do I actually know? Oh, damn! I do not think they liked me insulting their bro like that. It's my, multi fans. I feel like Multi would definitely be the kind of guy who would just... Multi being a literal machine is really funny, just because I don't even think Multi has a personality, per se. He just does whatever is alone. But this guy would probably, once he just be so painfully crazy. Oh, wow. Yeah, so those giant magma ones are gonna be a bit of a problem. Oh, frick, they're here. Never mind, they're not a problem. I was loaded. I didn't even have a repulsion yet. I thought I grabbed one, but I didn't. I got more mobility. I'm trying to be smart about survivability. If these guys touch me, they're essentially just, dead. Because I have beams balls after. Oh, boss indicator stuff! Oh, they're boss indicators. They're a boss here. Well, that was just helpful. Damn. Not as quick as hell, dude. I over-invested in rocket fuel, and now I don't understand what my purpose in life is. Saying something about investing in rocket fuel keeps getting hit by these annoying enemies. Oh no, I am not. I'm not about to be disrespected by a bunch of bows made of metal. Like, ain't no way. Ain't no way y'all be trying to disrespect me. I haven't gotten equipment this entire time, despite being just kind of chilling, you know? Now I can move a little more. I don't even have full crit. I kinda need to get that. I need to get one more crit left. I don't know why I even got Wungus, anyways. Could've probably gotten something better, but whatever the hell, I don't even care. I keep getting void seeds, and I don't even really need all the items in them. Like, I don't... I need an equipment. I need an equipment. That's what I need. But I haven't gotten equipment yet. I don't know, it's super annoying. It's like, bro, why? What's wrong with me wanting equipment? Dude, seriously. Understand, you fool. I am beyond stupid attacks. Why? I'm literally too stupid to understand that I'm supposed to take damage. Realize. Alright, where the hell is the looting shrine? About 500 possible spots for it. I am not spending 5 hours looking for everything. So, where is it? How do I get to it quickly? I know there was one like around these. I'm gonna check around a bit for the new altar, because I want to go there and get, like, the gesture. So I can really get the craziness and the saw blade build going. Because right now I'm kind of just on stasis, I'm not really doing much build. But hey, I don't care. I'm going to a new altar, I can't go. Oh wait, I forgot there was one more. Found it! Let's go! Let's go, I did it! And then I'm gonna just come back in a second, yo. Hang on just 1 minute. I've gotta go do something. So I just need to go to the bathroom really quick. Hey, you giant brick. Take 500. Come on, then. Right then, and back in we go. And currently, we're directly next to the giant fire-breathing lizard. Let's hope we don't die. Immediately gets hit by a blazing out on the million fireworks. Let's hope we don't die. Immediately gets hit. Yeah, I think it's a bad idea. Ow! I'm actually about to die. I actually almost just died from that. That's not good. I've got to run. I haven't become an industrial lawnmower yet, so I can't just look at enemies and kill them. And because I have, like, barely any defense or wonders yet, I don't really have a reliable method of healing or avoiding damage. I need some gray items. Gray items. Y'all got that? Did y'all take the order of gray items? Oh, y'all too stupid. Lower the amount of fall damage I'm taking that. Of course, it's the one guy that's capable of freaking flight. Get over it. That was one of them, not the other. Imagine firing that like within 5 seconds. That's the goal. Y'all would stop shooting me, maybe I'd be able to grab items. Get out. I'm gunned down by these snakes. I think it's a funny idea to camp on the ceiling and the walls where I can barely reach. I mean, good on you guys for looking at your opponent. Come on, man. You're ruining my game. Literally everyone went blind test. Like, I feel like the one thing is that wisps and blind tests are like universal. Wisps are kind of obviously going to be annoying. Right now, they're kind of hard to hit, and especially for the main. But unlike blind tests, they don't have the power to end you on a single hit unless it's 5,000. This is gonna make Umber fights a little annoying, but come on, man, just go long. Why would I care? Get over here. I will rip you all apart. Boy? That's it, okay. Stand here and fight them. Where the hell is my friggin' umbrella? Where are you going? This idiot is about to kill off all my damage, not one man. I'm just trying to gather up my items like I want to keep it as I can, and this one right here is Alright then, now that I have significantly high levels of healing, let's get the saw blade build going, so I can run around like a mad lad while shooting 50,000 saw blades out of my friggin' mouth. That's funny. I don't give a damn. I do not fire nearly enough of these. I need... Damn, he actually tried kicking me out for that? Dude, you have barely scratch left on you, bro. He has enough health to friggin' tank it, and he's still mad at me for touching it. That's just stupid. Who gets mad at someone? I mean, come on. A little ball blade, nothing to worry about. Total won't give you friggin' extremely deadly wounds right now. Well, we're gonna be farming items this stage, and we're gonna be getting enough stuff to just really cause some issues for these guys. Jump to easily just sit on top of the thing and stand up now. I can't do it. How did this man actually hit that? He was clearly not aiming his shoulders correctly, but he still got it. Superior is getting closer. Superior. Dead. Almost dying to a blazing guy, like, right now is, like, really annoying. I'm not gonna blame that. Literally one of these counteracts the blazing debuff effect, right? Not you. Debuff's not scary. The amount of stack. Everything else? Give me that computer. I got players right now. I gotta do this thing. How have I still not gotten myself that one click? Something gives me his way. I need to get that one click. It's just so annoying that I don't have the right amount. I'm mad. I'm like... Gloves, give me my quick rockets. One of you guys, please, I am desperate for you. That one click. Can't wait for when I get enough fuel cells that I shoot at like 20,000. Bottled Chaos would go so hard with this. Dragon Egg being in there so much. Oh, yeah, that's a stone, right? Oh, you one of the bigger guys, are you? Well, I don't care, die. I don't care what you are insignificant. You insignificant. No. Man, how weird this thing that is. Yeah. Not the legendary. Nice. Get hell off me. Tools reduce equipment cooldown. I don't even care anymore. I don't want that anymore. You know what I do want though is, you know what? For them, we'll do it. Thank you for giving me an equipment that I don't need. Blows up pancakes with mine. My pancakes. What pancakes? They're dead. They're gone. Pancakes? No, I'm just gonna shred you. Funny enough, I did actually eat for them pancakes. Last night I had pancakes for lunch for some reason. Guess I know heresy. I had a breakfast food for lunch. It's actually pretty good. It's a good option for when you just don't know what else to have. you expect an answer to be some profound philosophy? I cannot wait to shred you all to bits by blowing you all up. My question is, this is why. And to think, I'm not even shooting enough of them to flood the entire map with sawbones together. Especially I'll get to that one. Oh damn, actually let's do that. I should've done take spaces. And that was the useless now. I decided to use it. If you get enough bullets and I'm gonna block you the entirety of your health bar with damage, you probably should. I want to just see how long can we stretch this, because I have like 3 hours. Can we get a like 4-hour video of me just through like a random way? I feel like it's I really just want to be able to fly off on the roof, just flood the entire map. You know, there's a reason why I'm staying in power mode, and it's because I took, what, 300 damage with power mode active. I tried taking you. Which, by the way, is not Multi is probably one of the only survivors that can, like, reliably tank a stone titan beam at full power with no items or anything early game. Take a lot of damage, but Multi can probably tank a lot of really strong hits that you probably shouldn't be able to tank, given the amount of sheer base level of each punch. That's it. Thank you! I didn't even... No, get up. You know what I think is this line? Quick line, look at you guys, you guys just cease to exist entirely. Show me. Damn. I comboed him so badly. Dang. I bet the entirety of these loops to start gathering up plays and greens for this. I don't know if Clover has helped me, but after Celestial Orb, not a blue orb, I got too excited. Let's get 2 items from the same guy. I wanna get the funny drone guy. Let me get the funny drone guy. I'm gonna not use any saw blades, not be in power mode, and I'm just gonna tear this guy down with Boston. Alright, blind pest shield up, time to get serious. The blind pests are here. Time to get serious. It's actually gonna be difficult now. I feel like blind pests work so much better with a looped enemy. Like they're a stronger version of Wisps. So it makes sense for them to be looped enemies. But they spawn in on like stage 1 and stage 2. That's so stupid. I'm like, why? Why do y'all possibly need that? Can I wait for Umba to show up and get at me? I might die too, but who cares? It's fun as hell. Rushing this guy. Ah, frick, it's too fast. I made him too powerful. Couldn't help me. Oh my! I had 411 stacks of movement. Well, that's annoying. That should conclude today's run, then. I'm not... that was annoying. You know what, though? It'd be funny to try this again, but in Simulacrum. Execute. Because we can very easily get the same levels of waves here. With this, Well, let's do this. We're gonna see if we can get the industrial lawnmower build and do some Simulacrum gameplay. This feels so slow now. It's annoying to me that I died to my own Umbra on a really good run because, I got little... I don't even care anymore now. I am not in the mood to continue a run after I get wipes like that. So that's gonna conclude today's run. But, like, I'll be seeing y'all in the next one, because I am most definitely gonna do some more shenanigans here. Good.